Hello friends, welcome to karmatech. So in this video, I'm going to tell you how to turn off auto brightness in iPhone. Now, if you are thinking that in display settings, you will find auto brightness option, then you're wrong. There is no auto brightness option in display settings, but no need to worry. I'm going to guide you through each and every step. But before that, if you're new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Let's start the video. Now, initially, if you go to settings and select display and brightness, over here you get multiple options. Like you can change the appearance from light to dark or dark to light. You can set it to automatic as well. You can change text size. You can convert normal text to bold text. You can change the brightness over here, but you have to control it manually. You can turn on true tone or you can turn it off if the toggle is on. You get night shift option, auto lock, raise to wake, and always on display. But you can see, as I said, there is no auto brightness option over here in display settings. So iPhone settings can be confusing sometimes, but no need to worry. In order to turn off auto brightness, once you go to settings, look for accessibility option. So in accessibility, select display and text size, and again on this particular page you can turn on bold text option. You can change the text size, right? You get button shape, on off labels. You can check out multiple settings over here, but if you go down at the very end, you get an option of auto brightness. Now currently you can see auto brightness is on. In order to turn it off, simply tap on this toggle. Once it turns to gray, it is off. So this is how simple it is to turn off auto brightness in iPhone. Now once it is off, next time onwards you have to control the brightness manually. But if you don't want to control it manually, then turn this toggle on. So yeah, that's pretty much it for today's video, guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you all in the next one. Thank you.